Hi everyone, good afternoon and welcome once again. Thank you so much for being here. Well, the sky... Oh, let me see if I can... Next station. Na foca, caralho. Oh, next time. Oh. Okay. Thank you so much for being here. Unfortunately, I need to show the other side, but airplanes, the other side, and there is smoke. Unfortunately, a fire up started a few hours ago. One in that area in Montemoro Velho. Oh no, sorry, Miranda do Corvo. Miranda do Corvo. They have controlled it for a while, but I believe they have, well, the fire just jumped to the other side of the river, because they are starting more, I think it was on that side, but there is a river starting in a little town called São Frutuoso, and I was in the other side, and there was another front more far away in Miranda do Corvo. Now it's together. There was another one in Condeixa, a little bit south from here. They have controlled it. There was a little one here, very close from here. Where is it? No, in that area over there, more or less. No, sorry, over there. More or less in that direction of the solar panels, but in here. It was a smaller one, but it doesn't matter. Usually the fire season starts in, I don't know, May, June, but unfortunately they have started one here. Well, doing the time lapse. Here I am, still with my helmet on. Let's go back to the... Oh, I hope I have enough battery, because I forgot to charge one. It's very dark. I hope it does it. Yeah, there is a darker layer below. I'm just hoping it gets darker. Okay, I'll be right. Okay, let's go back. Let's try to see a little bit from there. Today I forgot to, yesterday I forgot to recharge my batteries. Today I've come with batteries, but with low charge, so nah. So where today? Good. Shrieking and everything. I don't know if that was a bird or something else. And today I don't want to make the video too big. I will be uploading to my new channel e-bike adventures, so If you can share it, I really appreciate it. Subscribe if it is the first time. E-bike adventures. I'm trying to monetize this channel as well. Cara, não faças essa merda. It looks kind of weird. Because it's very bright, but usually... And I'm going to put darker. You know, you already saw my sunset. It usually has this shape, but it's much darker. Today looks weird. Okay. My old channel. If you take a look, I remove and put it on private or delete it. Almost everything, because on my new channel, E-bike Adventures, I can see how much hours I already need to monetize, and the subscribers, all that. On the other channel, it keeps changing I don't know if how much longer I need, how much hours I need. I do not been having so many views lately, but anyway, I need to monetize E-bike Adventures one day, and I still need a lot of subscribers. So if you can share it, I really appreciate it, because I think I'm gonna start uploading first to my second channel and then later to my older channel, Skywatcher Carlos. I hope you understand, but I need to get a second source of income. Most of the big channels have a second channel, and some have succeeded. They already monetize it, and I need to do something like that. So the colors today, they look very weird. I don't have the exposure brighter. I even have it a little bit lower. It's weird to see this. I cannot imagine how is the sun see from the beach. And please forgive me, the other day I could not do it because it was very windy, and it was more or less the time we arrived here. So, but I'll be back one day. Now I know how much I would need to pay, and I can take my e-bike in the train. That make it more easy to get there and come back without having any issues with the batteries or something like that, or a punch, flat tire or something like that. But I'm planning to go back to the beach, not that one, but maybe another one. But maybe one day. Meanwhile, if you wish to give me a hand, meanwhile, I've been the only member of the family with a source of income, all with small donations, and once again, I really appreciate it if you can give me a hand. There is PayPal, buy me a coffee, or GoFundMe, and me and my family are forever grateful from the bottom of my heart. We have lots of bills to pay and food to buy and all that. But meanwhile, I appeal to all your kindness and understanding. I hope you understand, and for any donation, even $5 is great. There is buy me coffee, GoFundMe, or PayPal me. Meanwhile, I leave you all this. I'm done So the moon is on the other side. I cannot see it from here. It's behind it, the church. All that is smoke, like I said. It's going to be interesting tomorrow morning. I just hope they did it to erase the fire, because the choppers and all that, they don't fly at night. Meanwhile, we're having some weird accidents with choppers here in Portugal. At least is the third, and a small airplane that have felt the crash. One of them, some people have already, unfortunately, they died. They don't give you that on the big news, but I'm telling from this. The causes from one, well, the chopper is, they don't give too much maintenance to the devices, and then the consequences are serious. But the other ones, I'm not even sure what happened, but some people have died. That all that month, in this month. Meanwhile, I'll leave you with this. I want to see if I can see the moon, if it's not covered with smoke. And this is it, guys. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to drop the like, and see you next time. E-bike adventures. Share it. I really appreciate it. I need subs. Okay. Bye-bye.